Today we'll find out the area of this figure. They have given us this figure. We have to find out the area of this figure. Now for finding out the figure, we have to divide this into either rectangles or either squares. So we'll divide from here. That means this is one rectangle and another rectangle is this. We'll give name and rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. Now how to find out the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle 1 is equals to length into breadth. So here in this figure, length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So we'll multiply them. Multiply 5 to the 10 and centimeter into centimeter is centimeter to the power 2, or we can write down 10 square centimeter. Another area. Now another is area of rectangle 2. सेकेंड रेक्टेंगल का एरिया फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. तो here also we'll write down length into breadth. That is length is now 9 centimeter into 2 centimeter. That will be equals to 18 centimeter to the power 2. Now find out the total area of this figure. That means we add the areas of rectangle 1 and 2. This is area of this composite figure. Composite figure is equals to area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. That is equals to 10 centimeter square plus 18 centimeter square. We add them. 10 centimeter square plus 18 centimeter square, that is 28 centimeter square. So this is the area of this figure. Next question is ABC is a right angle triangle. Find the measure of angle DBC. So we have to find out DBC. They have given angle ABC is a right angle. So that means this angle is a right angle. So angle B is equals to 90 degree. Now in triangle ABD, AD is equals to BD. So common point is D. So how will we write down which two angles are equal? We can see this. There is a trick. BD, in the opposite angle of BD is A and opposite angle of AD is B. So angle A is equals to angle B. Here from here जो साइड में हमारे पास कॉमन होता है उसको छोड़ दो, तो हमारा एंगल A is equals to एंगल B आ जाएगा. तो this is already given to us. This is 40 degree. This is given to us 40 degree. तो अगर ये 40 है तो B भी 40 होगा. तो this is equals to 40 degree. Now total angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is equals to 90 degree. That is addition. Angle B को क्या लिखेंगे हम? ABD plus DBC. ADB plus angle DBC, that is equals to 90 degree. ADB we know 40 degree. So DBC is equals to 90 degree. So angle DBC is equals to 90 degree minus 40 degree. That will be equals to 50 degree. Angle DBC is equals to 50 degree. So the missing angle of this figure is DBC is 50 degree. This question is a cuboid box has a length 3 centimeter, width is centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. What is the maximum number of the 1 centimeter cubes that can be fitted into this box? So what will we do? अगर हमें इसमें किसी चीज़ को फिट करना है तो हमें पता होना चाहिए इसका वॉल्यूम कितना है। तो वील फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड। वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड is equals to length into breadth into height. Length is given 3 centimeter, breadth is also 3 centimeter, and height is 2 centimeter. So it is 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 centimeter the power 3, because centimeters are multiplied 3 times, so power 3, or we can write down 18 cubic centimeter. Now they are fitting cubes of 1 centimeter. So what is the volume? उसका भी कुछ वॉल्यूम होगा क्यूब का जिसको हमें इसके अंदर फिट करना है। तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब इज साइड इंटू साइड इंटू साइड। तो साइड, ऑल साइड्स आर 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Now we have to find out, this is equals to 1 centimeter cube. We have to find out number of cubes which will be fitted in this. So what will we do? We will divide the volume of cuboid by volume of cube. That will be 18 centimeter cube divided by 1 centimeter cube. This will be cancelled with this, so 18. Number of cubes are 18 which will be fitted into that cuboid. Next question, identify the triangle. Triangle TUV, where T and V is given. Suppose this is a TUV, angle TUV, angle T is 70 degree and V is equals to 20 degree. We have to first of all find out this angle. We don't know, we haven't measured figure, so we just have drawn the triangle. Now according to sides, TU is 4 centimeter, UV is 11 centimeter, and TV is 11.7 centimeter. When we are seeing this, all the measurements are different. So when these are all different, so according to side, this is a scalene triangle because all the sides are different. Now on the basis of angles, we have to find out the missing angle. Angle T plus angle U plus angle V is equals to 180 degree. We know the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle T is equals to 70 degree. U we don't know. Angle V is equals to 20 degree. तो इन दोनों को ऐड कर लेंगे, 90 डिग्री प्लस एंगल U इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री। अब एंगल U क्या आएगा हमारे पास? एंगल U इसको जब हम राइट हैंड साइड पे ले जाएंगे ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, मतलब प्लस का है तो माइनस का हो जाएगा, एंड एंगल U इज इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री। हमारे एंगल 1 इज 90 डिग्री, सेकेंड इज 70, थर्ड इज 20 डिग्री. As we are getting one angle as a 90 degree, so it is called right angled triangle. Next question is JKL. Angle J we don't know, K is 80 degree and L is equals to 50 degree. So we'll find out because they have not given us a sides. So first of all we'll find out angle J plus angle K plus angle L is equals to 180 degree. J कितना दिया है उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बताया, तो this is missing. Angle K is equals to 80 degree and angle L is equals to 50 degree. So it is equals to 180 degree. 80 plus 50 is equals to 130 degree, and the sum of these three angle is equals to 180 degree. तो हमारे पास angle J is equals to 180 degree minus 130 degree. Now we'll subtract these two, that will be equals to 50 degree. तो हमारे पास ये angle भी 50 आ गया. That means two angles are equal. That means two sides of that triangle. अब all angles are less than 90 degree. So according to angles, it is a acute angled triangle. But when we are talking about their sides, जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं कि दो एंगल्स इक्वल हैं, दैट मीन्स दो साइड्स भी इक्वल होंगी। इसका मतलब है कि इट इज़ अ आइसोसेलेस triangle. I hope you understand this. When two sides are equals, then only the two angles are equal. So when two angles are equal means two sides are equal. We can go vice versa also. तो इसका मतलब है हमारी जब हमारी दो साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं तो दो एंगल्स इक्वल्स होते हैं, और जो दो एंगल्स इक्वल हैं तो दैट मीन्स दो साइड्स इक्वल होंगी, तभी हमारे दो एंगल्स इक्वल हैं। इसलिए हम इसको बोलेंगे कि इट इज़ अ आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल। आई होप you understand all the questions, and if you have any query you can send to me that query in a chat box. Thank you.